Need another story, something to get off my chest. My life gets kind of boring, something that I can't.
Careful, watch these people.
All my sleeves are stained red.
Okay, let's just look at the sky. They have a crosswalk, go. Well, I'm telling you that these people back here, they have the thing. Those people were walking when their thing was...
Just rather avoid hitting them.
Not me.
I want Dunkin' Donuts. Don't have to stop and wait for cops to be like, oh, well, you should have hit them. They were jaywalking. No, I just want an iced dark chocolate coffee.
So a cop would tell you that you should hit them because they were jaywalking.
You'd have been like, dog, they deserve it.
And now it seems great to go. I don't really like my flow.
So, where are we?
We're in the mall
Doing?
getting boba.
That's not real boba. What is it?
Mango juice. Mango juice.
Basically.
Eight.
You have 8 balls in your mouth.
All my secrets away.
What the heck are you singing? Sweet nothing. Oh, I don't know. Would you address... This is where I get confused. I don't know if you address them like you've been talking to them all day, all along, in the beginning, because you haven't.
I think it's just like you talk to yourself pretty much.
Yeah, well, yes, but at the same time, you're talking, like, you're full ahead of time, you're talking to people. Like, you're, like, narrating your life, basically. Correct?
You actually hit me. That's not how it works. We're going into Target looking for pillows, right? Yeah. Body pillow for the couch and for the bed.
We're gonna get 2?
We might get 2. We'll think about it.
I can just envision that in my house. I need to find a... Ooh, this is cute. Let's see. I need to find a runner. I'm looking for a new tablecloth to round, and it seems like it's so hard to find a round tablecloth. Clearance. What is this? These are napkins. I don't have anything cute here. Target, you've let me down. You have failed me. I think cups like this are so cute. I'm here in the kitchen section and I'll show you how cute these mugs and stuff are. They have these adorable little tea bag holders, so like when you take your tea bag out of your tea, you just sit it right on here so you don't have to like sit it on something. Look how cute this stuff is. And then they have Tazo Passion Tea for $2.99. And it's just different packaging. And I'm getting one of these.
Green tea with lemongrass and spearmint. Didn't want to what?
One of these mayonnaise.
We're going on a late night trip to Chick-fil-A. It's not really that late, it's only 9:15, but we need dinner and we haven't gone grocery shopping yet. And we've got a couple of tag-alongs with us. We laid the seats down so they could have a little play area, but they're both trying to get up. Mom over there eating some fries, and Charlie thinks that she's going to be getting some fries. Tati was in the back crying whenever we were trying to get the food. She's back there somewhere. It's too dark out, I don't know if y'all can see her. But now we're on the way home. So I'm on the way to the gym right now. It's like 12:40 at night. I've got to go into work tomorrow night, so that's why I'm staying up so late tonight. But I've got my notebook with my study guides that I'm studying for work, and I've got some index cards to write some stuff on. So probably be in the gym for, it's really dark, probably be in the gym for about an hour, and then head back home. But that's what I'm doing tonight. Jessica's in the house. Think she's writing a blog post right now. So
I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change.
Just need to get
were you recording me when I
This camera sucks ass. Oh, there we go.
got done going to the mall? You're staring at me, I can't do it. I can't.